Hi, how you doing? This side from affiliateship.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you a really cool tool plugin that I use to display affiliate disclosures automatically on every blog post. That's in WordPress if you're using WordPress. So affiliate disclosures are an important part of operating your affiliate marketing business for many reasons, one of which is that it's an FTC, a US government requirement that you should let your readers know that you have affiliate links on your web pages, and you may earn a potential commission from those links. Okay, so you must disclose that. Another main reason is, of course, that you should be transparent and honest with your marketing and your audience, so that this way your audience are aware that you may be compensated. You may find that some people don't like clicking on your affiliate links, and some people don't mind, but you just have to accept that you win some, you lose some, as part of life, right? However, if you can manage to be honest, truthful, and ethical, and provide the best value that you can to your audience, help them, serve them, and then you have a much better chance of gaining people's trust. Thus people will be happy to click on your links. They'll like you, they'll know you, they'll trust you, right? But you must be honest, ethical in your marketing. All right, to sum it up, you must display affiliate disclosure on your marketing pages when you're linking to affiliate products. So with that said, I'm just going to share with you a useful plugin that I use myself, especially on my website affiliateship.com, that will display your affiliate disclosure message in every blog post. That's for WordPress word blogs only. Okay, so let's show you quickly. So in your WordPress dashboard, right, from the left configuration pane, you'll see the the navigation of all the settings and stuff. So you can look for plugins and then select add new, and then in this, once that loads up, in the search box field you're going to type in FMTC affiliate disclosure. All right, FMTC affiliate disclosure. And then once you've found it, it appears on the listing. Click on the install and activate the plugin. Once activated, installed, you go to the install plugins from the left navigation settings area of your plugins, and then you go to the FMTC affiliate disclosure settings, and then settings. Then in the box, enter your disclosure message. In the message, you can keep it simple and just be honest and say, look, you may earn commissions from affiliate links on this page, and you can be creative, but the message must convey that you're promoting premier affiliate links. Okay, so there's a default message in there already preloaded, so you can leave that if you want to, but also you can choose your own. And here's mine if you want to take a look as an example, where I've put my own link message there, and then where it says we may earn a commission from some links mentioned with no extra cost to you. Just saying that if they click on the links, it will not cost them any extra. And also I said that which helps fund this site. Okay, so you can also mention that it helps you fund the site, fund your website. And then so that's it basically. That's my message there. And then also, once you're done with your message, you click on save, and that's it. On every blog post, your affiliate disclosure message will display automatically. Okay, so remember that the affiliate disclosure, this particular plugin, will only display on posts and not pages. So for pages, you can manually just copy and paste your disclosure message somewhere at the top, which is recommended. All right, so that's it for now. And if you'd like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you'd like some free resources on building your affiliate marketing business, then you can head to affiliateship.com/free, or I'll also put the link in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.